If you are posting very often, but it feels like nothing is building from it, this could be why. You might be using the wrong platform for your business. Many entrepreneurs think that all platforms work the same. They believe that if they show up enough, results will come. But strong brands, they don't think like this, okay? They don't think this way. I'm LaMorvielle, and this is Brand Impact 365. I have challenged myself to post one video a day for 365 days while I study strong, impactful brands. I rebrand my own business, and then I share what I'm learning with you. So, all I do every day is just study brands, how they work, and why they are successful. And this lesson shows up again and again. Okay. Impactful brands, they are choosing platforms on purpose, right? They ask simple questions like, where does my audience already spend their time? Where can I explain what I do clearly? Right? Where does my content last the longest than just one day? Here is what often happens instead. Entrepreneurs choose platforms based on trends or based on what feels the easiest for them, right? Or even based on what everyone else is using. But when the platform does not match the business, the growth is going to feel like it's slow. It's going to feel very exhausting, right? Here's another important point, okay? Not every platform is meant for teaching. So not every platform is meant for selling, and not every platform is meant for long-term growth, okay? Strong brands match the platform to the goal that they have, okay? Here's another or the most important part of this video, I feel. Being consistent on the wrong platform is still going to lead to frustration. Okay, so but when you're focused, right, on being on the right platform, right, and focused on posting on the right platform correctly, this is actually going to lead to progress a lot faster. And this is one of the main lessons that I'm actually applying right now while I'm rebuilding my own brand and sharing again the process with you here on Brand Impact 365. So if this video, this content, you found some value in and it's allowing you to see your business in a different way, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I truly appreciate your support, my friend. All right, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.